Hello everyone, welcome to our English lesson. Today we will talk about Mars and NASA. Mars is called the Red Planet. NASA studies space and planets. In this video you will learn new English words, simple sentences, how NASA explores Mars. Let's begin. Mars is a planet in our solar system. It is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is cold and dry. Mars is red because of iron dust. Mars has mountains and rocks. Mars is a thin atmosphere. There is very little air on Mars. Mars is smaller than Earth. A day on Mars is about 24 hours. NASA means National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA studies space. NASA sends rockets and robots to planets. NASA wants to learn about the Moon, Mars, stars, the universe. NASA asks important questions. Is there water on Mars? Was there life on Mars before? A rover is a robot car. It moves on Mars. Rovers can take pictures, study rocks, test the soil, send data to Earth. Rovers help humans explore Mars safely. They work every day on the planet. Example sentence. A rover takes pictures of Mars. NASA studies Mars to find water. Signs of life, answers about space. Scientists believe Mars had water long ago. Water is important for life. Mars helps us understand Earth. Mars helps us prepare for future travel. One day, humans may go to Mars. Mars, planet, NASA, rover, scientist, space, mission, discover, explore, water, life, future. Now sentences. NASA explores Mars. Mars is a red planet. A rover is a robot. Scientists look for water. Mars is far from Earth. What is Mars? Mars is a planet. Who studies Mars? NASA studies Mars. What is a rover? A rover is a robot on Mars. Why is Mars important? Mars helps us learn about life and space. Say with me. NASA explores Mars with robots. Mars is cold and dry. Scientists look for water. Rovers take pictures of Mars. Mars may be our future planet. Again, slowly. Mars is the red planet. NASA studies Mars every day. Today, we learned about Mars and NASA. We practiced English together. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share with friends. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.